Hey everyone, fascinating new addition to the low-cost smartphone market. Cubot P90 combines commonplace functionality with few unique ideas that are uncommon in its price range. Its design is the first thing that grabs notice. Although the body maintains a recognizable bar-like shape and is composed of simple plastic, it is enhanced with glossy exterior and a unique rear camera module that conceals a surprising secondary display. There's more to this 1.72-inch screen located on back than meets the eye. In addition to showing the time, their date, and notifications, it also makes it possible to take quick selfies with the primary camera. This feature, which is frequently found on more expensive smartphones, gives a low-cost model a unique premium feel. A sizable 6.8-inch IPS screen with an HD Plus resolution of 1640 by 720 pixels is featured on the front of the Cubot P90. The 120 Hz refresh rate makes up for the low resolution with quickness and fluid scrolling. Even while the screen isn't as sharp as Full HD or AMOLED displays, it nevertheless provides a good experience for consumers who watch media, browse social media, or play light games. The Helio G100 CPU, which powers the handset, is far from high-end but more than competent at handling daily tasks like social media, video streaming, and messaging. Mobile gamers and users who rely on resource-intensive apps won't be satisfied, but it performs admirably for the majority of everyday chores. The substantial RAM configuration, with 256 GB of onboard storage and compatibility for micro SD cards up to 1 TB, there is also enough of storage. A 5100 mAh battery, which comfortably lasts a day and a half when used actively, powers all of this. USB Type-C is used for charging, and it can accommodate up to 18 watt of power. The Cubot P90 has two cameras, a 5 megapixels auxiliary camera and a 64 megapixels primary sensor. In well-lit environments, the 16 megapixels front camera works okay, and it has a respectably good portrait mode. The P90's rear display is really useful once you get used to it, which is one of its more unexpected features. It's easy to ignore at first, but it soon proves handy by allowing you to view the clock, battery life, and notifications without having to unlock the phone or switch on the main screen. This is a new feature in this price range and can help down battery consumption a little. All things considered, the Cubot P90 is a low-cost phone with a distinct personality. Although it doesn't try to match flagship smartphones in terms of raw performance or display quality, it achieves what it has to offer consumers on a tight budget. It boasts a sizable fluid screen, decent performance for daily duties, a sizable memory capacity, and ingenious features like the secondary display and pre-installed Android 15. Anyone who needs a dependable smartphone with some style should consider it. Whether they are an adult seeking all the necessities without shelling out top dollar or a student searching for a decent deal. Although the Cubot P90 isn't flawless, it's a welcome change in its class. Thanks for watching. What do you think about this video? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.